Hello guys, this is Napoleonic India, and today I'm going to teach you all how to make a French unit, French Napoleonic unit. So first, search for musket. Boom, first step done. Second, go to clothes, and then today I'm going to make the basic Napoleonic French soldier. So if you want to put some specifications on like some specific regiments, you can do that. So take this Ottoman helmet, although it doesn't look Ottoman at all. Go to colors and make it completely black. And this purple you see, make it white as possible. Sounds kinda racist, but don't care. Then go to torso and go to legacy. Alright? See this? This is my favorite one to choose, always. Go to blue and then go to this. Choose this shade of blue, okay? Got it? Followed? Okay, good. Don't choose the Carolean, however. No matter what you do, never choose this. Never choose this. This is one of the worst ones to choose for a Napoleonic unit, okay? You never want to choose this. This is like only perfect for like 18th century or something. But we are talking about the early 19th century. That fashion is out of. You look kind of girly, that's it. Let me see that. Go to War Legacy. And then, wait, no. I mean Ottoman. Go to Ottoman. And then make your unit have the same shade of color that had. Now that is pretty basic. This is a glitch, don't worry. So go to here, and boom. This is going to be the basic layout of your Napoleonic unit. Now go to Renaissance backpack. You want to be choosing this. Go to this. Whatever color it is showing, change it to white. As you want to always make it white. Then go to torso again, and then I forgot the name of the thing, but I think so it was something. I remember. Go to Ottoman again and choose this. This will make the unit look as manly as possible. I'm just kidding. Leave it like that. Go to not torso. Never go to torso now. Now let's go to legs. Legs, you know the drill. Oh, I don't need to change the color of this. The French wore white pants only. Nothing about that. And before I forget, put World War II backpack. I think so. This thing cannot handle that. Okay, I put it. Make the green part black completely, like you're seeing right now, and make this part white completely. And go to the Renaissance backpack and make it also black. Now this is going to be your basic Napoleonic unit. Go to the feet. Go to the boots. Boots, and choose basically any boot you like. I would prefer to put. Wait, what? Where is it? I highly recommend to you to put these Wild West boots. Go to coloring and make it black. And boom! Here is your basic Napoleonic unit. If you want to alter its stats, go for it. There's no use of increasing its hit points. It just makes it more expensive, and the musket already has high damage, so not necessary. Go to unit weight, make it 1.30x. No, 1.50x, because the amount of things it is carrying is like wow. Oh. I always forget this. I'm not a professional YouTuber, of course. But go to this and choose this. this could be the bayonet area. You could put your bayonet here. Now, as I was saying, here is a basic Napoleonic unit. If you like it, go to movement speed. No, don't go to movement speed, because if you change its movement speed, I have noticed that it tries to retreat, and of course it's going to be good for if you are playing a campaign or whatever, trying to defeat your brother or anything, but don't increase if you're trying to actually make videos of recreating historical battles. It would look weird. Now go to attack speed and make it 1.10x. If you want to make it 30 seconds, and if you want to make it 30 seconds, remember this is a well-trained soldier. So if you're making a militia, I strongly recommend you make it 1.50x or 1.60x. Alright? So yes, and its damage, nothing to change about that. Napoleonic French unit. I already made this our soldier, but I made it for you guys. Take a picture of it, make sure you get a good angle of it, and boom, here is a basic Napoleonic unit. Pretty cool, right? And here is going to be your unit. Click to save and you're good to go. Now for the British one. The British one, relatively simple, almost identical. Musket. Boom. Nothing special there. Now go to clothes and then go to head as you should always, and choose it. If you want to, you can choose a legacy hat, but I mostly use it for grenadiers or light infantrymen, because this one suits more for the basic infantryman. This thing it's wearing. So if you read it, don't talk about it. Now, I also, you want it, put a cap. Put a cap on it. If you want it to look more pleasing to the eye. Okay, I was joking. Put this. What was it? What was the hat again? Oh, not in front of camera now. Here, this was the hat. This is optional. You can, if you want to put it, put it. If you don't want to put it, don't put it. It's your choice. But I put it just because I wanted to. Now, I already have made a British unit, so this one is going to be from a different regiment. Okay. So go to legacy. Make it wear this. Go to red and choose this red. Okay, choose the toppest red you can find, and then go to torso, and then go to Ottoman again, as always, as you should, or else your units would look completely weird. And this again, boom, and this again, boom. This I will make it like a bit of a, no, I will make it gold. Go to gold and then choose the best gold color you can find. No, it looks so weird. No, we are not going to accept degenerates in the British Imperial Army, so no, don't even try. So you go to Renaissance, and then if you want to, no, you have to put this. This is necessary. Go to this, go to that, and go to this, and then go to that. Pretty simple. And then this is basically similar to the French one only. That's why I have already made a unit like this. So this is going to be from a completely different regiment. So The only difference you would see is something else completely weird. And I promise you it's going to be good. Now, for a regular British soldier, you don't have to put this, but for this soldier especially, I'm going to put this. Now, yes, it admittedly looks really out of the place. It looks ugly, but I'm going to make this be from a different regiment. And then go to moustache, and then bada boom, bada bam, go to legs. Now you can put sideburns also if you want to, because they were like the fashion of the day back then. Now go to Ottoman, go to here, go to here, go to here, and go to here. Boom. Now the British wore white pants normally, or at least most of media. The British wore white. The British wore black pants normally. What am I saying? It was the white pants that were kind of rare at the time. And what happened to my search thingy? I wanted boots. Boots and cats. So again, Wild West as always. Don't alter the colors. This time, go to here and make it white. And if you want to put it, this might make it a bit weird, but go to turban. What am I saying? Go to here, 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 here. And this is your soldier from a different regiment. This soldier would mostly be stationed in India or Africa, or it doesn't exist at all. Now the normal stats, hit points, no use upgrading it. And wait a second, I cannot forget this. What am I doing? It would be a sin if I forget this. Forget it. Oh god. Dagger. This is going to be the bayonet lug. However, since the British were more focused on experience, I'm going to make it a bit more survivable for them. Go to attack speed, make it 1.20x, and go to damage 1.10x, because the British were more experienced soldiers. Now name it Napoleonic British soldier. Also, this video I made for Carrot. If you go check out his video where he makes the 105E Ligne company regiment of the French in tabs. It's around 40 minutes long, so but I urge you, go check him out. He is super underrated. And thank you for the 44 subs and so many likes. And if you want to go over the description, and then let's test these units out. So let's test out the units I made. Here are the British that I made. Now we cannot have mistakes in our army. No soldier will break ranks, and I think so I have corona. And here are the French. The French will also engage in line warfare as the British. As the saying goes. The British are always there, whenever the French also appear. Let me first show you how each unit looks though. Here are the obviously non-European British soldiers. I think so. These soldiers look like they are from the colony of South Africa or India. If you want to make them look like Europeanish, just remove the turban and replace their white pants with black pants. Okay, that's the only thing is you have to do. And here are the musket British, and here fighting with them are the Napoleonic French. And to be honest, I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out, these soldiers. So who will? Let's see. So the French are marching with their bayonets clanging on each other. I think so they're even friendly fighting each other, not going in lines, and oof! Already half of the French are dead, and already half of the British are dead. And just to make sure, if you don't want these battles to end like super quickly, then make sure that you give them either bad damage or high health, so that they are not able to like one-shot each other. But here are my Napoleonic units. Again, I dedicated this videos to Carrot because kill the small head. As I said, I dedicated this video to Carrot because he has already made the 105A regiment Ligma something of the French. So go check him out. His channel is pretty great. He's underrated. And also thank you for that 260 or 70 views. I think so it must have increased or something. Wait, let me check out how much I have. Wait, let me check out. Oh, Killer B commented me. Wait. I have to go to Napoleonic India. I have 44 subscribers, by the way. Just 4 subscribers in overnight. Boom. This is good news. Turns out that I have over 266 views in my video of the British Grenadiers. So thank you. Go subscribe to Killer B47 and what was his name again? Carrot. They are one of those few subscribers / people who actually make this channel a tiny bit better, because mostly I see that nobody even comments on my videos. When they came, I finally got some suggestions. So hope you learned something when you saw this video. Hope you learned how to make a Napoleonic unit properly, and if any future update comes, I will let you know. So thank you, and I will remain your most loyal and most humblest of servants, Napoleonic India. Bye bye.